Came out nice and floppy. Love it when the briskets are floppy. So I was pretty happy with this guy. It gave a nice bark. That butcher paper does that, so kind of preserves the bark a little bit. But yeah, I seasoned this guy up with First Class Barbecue. He's got an all-purpose rub. Used my rib grind as well as Cosmos Texas beef on top. But, I have family coming over for Christmas Eve and decided, I'm gonna go ahead and throw down on a brisket, and I'll put it on a pellet grill. Put it on at midnight. So I got the temperature dialed in at 225 and put that sucker on and went to bed. So woke up the next morning and here it is, 7 o'clock in the morning. Open her up and she was picture perfect. Color was great. She was temping about 175. So, but like I said, the color was good. I enjoy, I like the color, so I went ahead and wrapped her up. They were coming over that evening, so figured I would go ahead and wrap it up, get her done, get her cooked. Didn't take but a couple more hours. Like I said, this is 7 in the morning. If you want to see me trimming that brisket, I did trim it on my channel on the live feed, so I'll try to put a card somewhere in this video to you can see me actually trimming this one. But yeah, it was probably around 11 o'clock in the morning. A couple more hours, and man, she was super soft. And I pulled her out and stuck her in the oven, 170, in the butcher paper and in that pan. So put the whole thing, the pan, the butcher paper in the oven, and waited till about an hour before company arrived and pulled her out and just let her rest on the counter, and she sliced up nice, man. I couldn't be more happy with the guy. Like I said, I didn't inject it. I just ran 3 rubs and ran it on that 590, and it came out perfect. It's a HEB brisket. Got it at HEB. It's one of their Snake River farms. Occasionally they have them, and some of them are comp worthy, some of them aren't. I thought this guy was a little too small, but shoot, I probably could have turned this guy in. So I like to whack this little piece off right here. It's one of my favorite little tasters. You get a little of that burn-in action. So I had family behind me. They didn't want to be on camera, so gave them a couple of nibbles, and wasn't long after that, man, we were tearing it up, making tacos and everything else. Brother-in-law made the beans. It was everybody had a great time. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
We'll be right back.